Today we're going to talk about how to import content from a course you have previously created into the empty shell of another. This is a very convenient feature that you can do with Moodle because it allows you to copy work you've already done. The first thing you want to remember is that if you're going to import course content into another one, is that you want to back up the data from the course you're copying from and save that to your hard drive. And there's another video about that, about backing up your course. Once you've backed up the course you're going to copy from, what we're going to do is go into the administration block. And in the administration block, about halfway down, there is an import option. I'm going to click that. And you can see that I have a listing of courses I have taught, courses that I am listed as a teacher of. So what I'm going to do is go up to the top and I'm going to click on this menu, and you can see all the courses I have available to copy from. So I'm going to use one of these courses as an example today, called Quizzes in Moodle. And once I pick a class I want to copy from, I have to click Use this course. And you'll notice now I have a listing of the resources I've created in the course. Now, something you have to remember is that when you import your content, that the personal data will not be maintained. So things like attendance records and class rosters, things like that will not be maintained. And also, if you want to maintain forum postings or questions you put in forums, you need to back those up by copying and pasting them into a Word document, because those will not be copied over. So here we have a listing of all the things that we can import, and whatever I don't want to import, I can uncheck. Remember, you can always delete something you imported later if you don't need it. So I'm just going to bring in, our quizzes and our resources. Let's say I'm not worried about certificates in this case. And then, once I've decided that looks good, I am going to click on Continue. And you'll get a reminder at the top that says, this backup contains no user data, and exercise and workshop activities will not be included, and that's what that's talking about. So no personal information will be transferred over about students to the next course that you're copying. It's going to give you an outline of things that it's going to copy. And anytime you see Continue, you just want to click that at the bottom. Again, another Continue screen. It's just packaging up the stuff that it's going to copy over for us. I'm going to hit Continue again. And one more time, Continue under Import Course Data. And it's kind of giving you a preview right now of the stuff step by step as it transfers it over. And if I keep scrolling down, import is complete, it says at the bottom of my screen, and I can click Continue again. And there we have it. In my demo course, now the stuff that was in the Working with Quizzes in Moodle course has been copied over. And you can see that I have my resources, and it maintained headings of my topics, and even the graphic at the top, my banner, and the title that I brought over. And there are my quiz examples, etc. So however the other course is set up, it will be a mirror image on this end. And anything that I don't want in this course, remember, I can just delete it by clicking the little red X next to any of these items. The amount of time an import takes will depend on how large your other course is, you'll have to be a little patient if you've got lots of content that you're transferring over, and just be aware to just keep hitting continue to complete the import.